What are universal human rights principles? Imagine a world where everyone, no matter where they come from or what they believe, is treated with respect and fairness. That's what universal human rights principles are all about. They are the basic rights and freedoms that belong to every person simply because they are human. These rights don't depend on where you live, your race, gender, religion, or any other factor. They are rooted in the idea that all people have equal worth and deserve equal respect. This idea is at the heart of liberalism, which values individual freedom, autonomy, and equality under the law. The first key idea is that these rights are universal and apply to everyone. No one is born superior or inferior. Whether you are a child or an elder, from a rich country or a poor one, your rights are the same. This means discrimination based on race, sex, language, or religion is not acceptable. The second important point is that these rights are inalienable. They are part of who you are from birth and cannot be taken away or given up. You don't have to earn them or ask permission to have them. They are your birthright. Next, human rights are indivisible and interconnected. Civil rights like freedom of speech are linked to social rights like access to education and health care. You cannot fully enjoy one without the others. For example, being free to speak means little if you do not have access to information or a safe place to express yourself. Respect for individual liberty is also central. This means you have the freedom to make your own choices, follow your beliefs, and participate in political life without fear. It includes freedoms like religion, conscience, and political participation. Protection from harm is another core idea. Universal human rights defend you from torture, slavery, unfair detention, and discrimination. They guarantee your right to life, privacy, and safety. Everyone should have equal protection under the law and access to justice, no matter their background. These principles are clearly laid out in important documents like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which lists rights such as the right to life, freedom from torture, freedom of thought and expression, and the right to education and social security. From a liberal point of view, these rights are not just moral ideals but practical rules for organizing society. They limit government power to make sure it does not harm individuals and that laws respect human dignity. Governments must justify their authority by the consent of the people and protect these rights for everyone. In real life, this means governments should guarantee freedoms like speech and religion, protect people from abuse, and provide basic needs like health care and education. They should also uphold the rule of law so everyone is treated equally and fairly. In essence, universal human rights principles are about recognizing that all people are equal in worth and deserve respect, freedom, and protection. They are the foundation for a fair society where everyone can live with dignity. Liberalism supports these ideas because they help create a world where individual freedom and justice are at the core of how we live together.